guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. I am so excited for this next video. This is going to be actually a two-parter, but it's a really cool two-parter. And the reason it's two-parter is because I'm going to take pictures with this film camera. Now, the reason I got this idea was because I was taking pictures for Instagram with my iPhone, of course. And I realized that I take a bunch of pictures just to get the right look, the right light, the right, close, far, contrast, all of that. I mean, so to get one shot, I can take like maybe 10, 20 pictures. And I thought, we didn't used to do that. When we had film, we took our pictures and that was it. Or maybe we'd take two just in case. But mostly we took one and that was it. One and done. So I thought it would be fun since I have this camera from a few of my videos earlier in the year about using these for events or parties or receptions, whatever. I thought I'd use it. There's no point in it just sitting here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this camera all day today and go around and take pictures. And they're going to have to be the perfect picture the first time, right? I only have 27 exposures and I want to get 27 different pictures. I don't want 27 of the same photo. I mean, why develop that? But I think this kind of shows what these have done. They've made us maybe more picky, which might be a good thing, but might not. Maybe they've made us more discerning, which definitely might be a good thing. But they've also kind of made us wasteful. Would we be taking that many pictures if we had to throw them away? I don't think so. If we had to pay to develop them, we wouldn't. So in a way, in search of that perfect photo has kind of driven us to be a little crazy, maybe? I don't know. But we're going to see how this comes out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out in my backyard today and take different photos from different angles in the yard, different areas. Because that's where I love to take my photos. If you go look at my Instagram, I have a ton of nature photos on there. Plus, I'm going to take a few of my dogs because that's another thing you'll see a lot of on my Instagram. And I'll probably do one in the mirror kind of photo because I do take a few of those, yes. I think we all do take a selfie occasionally if we've got on what we consider to be that perfect look and we want to share. And this hair is going off to the side today, so I might just, what was that? AccuWeather frost advisory for Oceanside. That's crazy, guys, crazy. But anyway, got this hair going off to the side, so this might be like a photo today too, because this is a new look. I don't know. But I only have 27, so it has to be 27 of the best pictures. And then the second part of this video, you've guessed it, will be when I get the pictures back. And we're going to see how they look doing this one shot and that's it photo. So let's just get started and see how this goes. First, I'm going to open this. Now, I could do this with a real film camera. I could go buy one. But, that's money that maybe right now I don't have to spend. It's after Christmas. There's just normal bills to pay. And yes, I would probably use it because I love film cameras. But I don't know if I could get my husband to justify a film camera for my channel just yet. So, we're going to do this one. Now, this is, just one of those Fujifilm flash. Like I said, put them in a bowl, take pictures at get-togethers, Thanksgiving, that kind of stuff videos, which I will link above somewhere. Let's see if I can get it open. Okay, so. Look how cute. Isn't it cute? If you've never seen one or if it's been a while, super cute. Hopefully it'll work and I can get all 27 pictures. I don't know. I have to read the directions because I haven't used one of these in ages. Though my first camera was a little Kodak film camera. It was about that thin and it was long. It was so cute. I wish I still had it. Okay, charge flash, wind, point, and snap. One-time use camera. So I have to charge. Oh, it's making a sound. Okay, so that's charged. Then I have to advance film to 0 after last exposure. Okay, so let's take it outside and see if I have it right or not. I don't know. Am I supposed to wind it? Charge flash. Got it. Wind, point, and snap. What am I winding to? I don't know. I'm scared to wind it. What if it doesn't work? Oh, I have to wind it. Okay. So, charge flash, wind, point, and snap. So it says wind. There's a little winder right there. Okay, I guess it's ready. It stopped winding. Let's go take some pictures. This is going to be so fun. There it is. It's going to go in. Okay. Okay, so we're outside, and this is my red rose bush, and I'm going to come over here and take the perfect one-shot picture. Oh, wow. It's got this little viewfinder, and remember, our phones are big. You have a big... This is going to be interesting for sure. And I like to get real up close with the photos. Okay. Okay, there's one. Now I'm going to get one of the thorns because I love to get thorn photos. Okay, that's two. Now let's come over. And let's get maybe some greenery. Oh, you know what I think I'll do? You know, oh, sorry. You know what I think I'll do? Sorry. You know what I think I'll do? I'll come back with my phone and take the same pictures, and then we can compare them. I'll do that. But let's finish taking these. This is fun. Okay, we're back. Sorry, my battery died. So what I'm going to take a picture of now are this ivy right here. It's so pretty. Again, I'm going to get up close. Okay. And let's see. Okay guys, I'm going to take a picture of this view, and then I'm going to finish taking up around the pictures, and I'll meet you back inside in just a bit. Hey guys, okay, so I spent all day taking pictures. It is, let's see, I guess I can turn the flash off. It is now on 0. I don't know if you can see that at the top. Anyway, it's exciting. So in, I guess, a week, I don't know, I'll go drop this off tomorrow on Monday, January 3rd. And as soon as I get it back, we'll do a video like, look what we got back and all that fun stuff. In the meantime, I am going to run out and take the same pictures that I did with this camera with my phone, hopefully, if I can remember them all. And we'll just see how they come out. But I'll only do one take with this phone this time. Check back soon. Take care, and I will see you for my next video, which is cleaning and organizing my space. So be ready, because this place is a disaster, and I'll give you a sneak peek. Look in the mirror. That's all on the floor. It's crazy in here. So a huge get organized, clean my space video coming on Wednesday. Take care. Bye.